All right, we're going to talk about writing an equation given 2 points. It's just like what we were doing before, except we need to first find our slope so that we can put it into our point-slope equation and then change it into our slope-intercept equation. If you don't know these 3 equations, I'd recommend writing them down before you start this video. All right, if you look at problem number 1, it tells us that it goes through the point -4, -5, and the point 4, -1. So, just like normal, what I'd recommend doing is labeling it x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, remember, you are going to find your slope first. So it's y2 minus y1, so -1 minus -5 all over 4 minus -4. On the top it's going to become 4, on the bottom it's going to be 8, which reduces down to 1/2. So that's your first step. Your second step is you want to find point slope form, so y equals y1, so -5, plus your slope, so 1/2, times x minus x sub 1, minus -4 turns to plus 4. You want to distribute, get into slope-intercept form, so y equals -5 plus 1/2 x, and then 1/2 times 4 is going to be 4/2, which 4/2 reduces down to 2. Combine like terms. And there is your slope-intercept form of the equation. Okay, so let's go through another one together. If you look at number 2, it tells us that it goes through -2, -3, and 1, 2. Now again, if you need to, pause the video, try it on your own, then come back and check your work if you get stuck or you're unsure. First thing I'm going to do is label x1, y1, x2, y2. You want to find your slope, so it's going to be 2 minus -3 over 1 minus -2. On the top you're going to have 5, on the bottom you're going to have 3, and that's your slope, so that's your first step. Alright, next let's put in point slope, so y equals y1, which is -3, plus my slope, which is 5/3, times x minus -2, which is really like plus 2. Distribute, so y equals -3 plus 5/3x, and then plus, let's see, you get 10/3. Now this is a little bit trickier. We have to figure out what is -3 plus 10/3. Maybe I'm going to do my work on the side here. Okay, so I have -3/1 plus 10/3. I can see a common denominator of 3. So that means I'd have to multiply this by 3/3, so I'm going to get -9. So I'm going to get 1/3. So y equals 5/3x plus 1/3. Okay, if you get stuck with the fraction part, let me know and I can try to help you out. Or if you have any other questions, you can always ask me.